Good morning, guys, from this beautiful place. We just arrived at a mountain, and after a very relaxing night, we just came out and enjoy this beautiful nature and a fresh air. We have a very good road from Timișoara to Brasov, 5 hours, and today we have a full day here, and tomorrow we'll go home. Sincerely, I miss my home, but I enjoy a lot this vacation, and I feel fresh for a new start at my work. So this is my daughter's view. Very nice. Nice weather, nice mountains. We have our bathroom, a closet, and this is our room with a large bed. This furniture, very nice to have my clothes, and also with a nice terrace just to enjoy my mornings and a cup of coffee in the morning. Very nice view also, very relaxing and beautiful. Good morning, guys, from this beautiful place. It is a very nice morning. The sun is already shining, and we will have a beautiful day. So today we will go for a walk and go for lunch at a very nice place where they have a very good food, and just chill out here on our garden. I love how much greenery is here and peaceful. There is no noise. We have just a road, but it's far away, and sometimes you can hear the cars from there, but beside this only you hear a small river from here and some animals. So it's a very nice and relaxing place, what we need to feel fresh and to be ready to go home tomorrow. In a week I will start work again. My vacation will be over, and I'm ready for this. So now, after my breakfast, I have a cup of coffee and enjoy this beautiful view. I just enjoy this weather and have an intake of vitamin D and to bronze a little bit. So I will stay here and just do nothing. It's so relaxing to have a little bit of time just for ourselves after a month of work and stress and other events. So I take our vacation just to relax and to have a little bit of time for myself. It is very good, guys, just to take a break from social media, from other platforms, and just to enjoy nature, just to take a cup of coffee, read a little bit. In this trip I didn't bought with me any book, and I regret this, but I have some books on my wish list that I will buy when I go home, because reading for me is very relaxing, and I am more in peace and calm when I just read it. So I just relax a little bit in this afternoon. It is a very nice weather, and we just prepare for the road to our home tomorrow. So hopefully you enjoy this video and our vacation video. So I am glad to have you here and to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next one.